15-second ad strip based on the image uploaded. So I'll hit enter. And now let's wait for a few more seconds. So this is sunshine in the bottle. Oh yes. So I'll use this one. I'll come back to HEYGEN. I'll upload this strip. Oh, Devin, telling a funny story. You have two avatar, 4 placement video credit left. Generate. But I have the script again. So what they want is, let me see first. Describe what includes in your video. Each scene in 8 seconds. 8 scene man. Describe your scene including action. So describe a scene using action of a woman showing this product. So you can take the help of ChatGPT to do all of this stuff. So the camera opens. I'll use this one only. A shot I need. I'll hit generate video. So video started generating. Video generation is on the row. So it will take a few moments for this one to happen. I will show you at the end of this lecture the complete tutorial. Not the complete tutorial, means the complete video of how this thing actually works. Because this is only 3% completed, it will take a longer duration to do that. But now we will next we will jump into a different project. That is, let's go to the home page and let's create a UCG ad. UCG and video. So the ad video is already same of what happening right over here, the product placement. This is not so much, there's no so difference to this, but it's quite similar. So create engaging UCG ad style with Sora 2 and create a video ad. So but still I'll show you how this thing would upload a product image. So I'll upload the same image of this juice. And I need a photo avatar. So I'll go to my Canva and I'll find out any image of a woman so that I can simply use that image for my ad of this video. So I'll use this one. This would be my avatar. I download this right over here and I'll show you how this one actually works. So I'll come back to HEYGEN. I'll upload the video of my avatar. It will use Sora 2. 12 seconds. I need 8 seconds. Generate video. So that needed a video strip. This one does not need a video strip. It just needs a image to your product and a title to your product. I didn't zip. Actually, I forgot to zip the title. I just zipped that part, but you can simply zip it. So this is the avatar video that has been generated completely. But I will show you these two videos at the end of this lecture. So now let's go to the next part. What was the next one? We covered this too, an interactive avatar and then with the studio quality avatar video in minutes. So I'll choose the interactive avatar first and I'll show you how this thing actually works. So what you need to do is an interactive avatar. I will choose this one. So I think so this tool will chat with me. This is an interactive avatar, a customer support avatar. The name of the avatar is also given. This avatar will chat with me based on the issue that I have been drawing through. So this is the example interactive with the cutting edge of HEYGEN. This is the public avatar that you then create for yourself, and this is my avatar. Create an interactive avatar. So I then create an interactive avatar for myself, uploading my image, uploading my video of uploading my video. That all the details are given over here. One custom interactive video, capture yourself in 2 minutes video, AI background removal video, up to 30 minutes, create unlimited video. So you just need to post a video of yourself moving and talking so that this tool can easily capture your face, your movement, the way you speak, the style, and it can create your own interactive avatar. So I'm not getting into this tool right now. So let's go to the next one. Let's see the next one. What's there next? So this is the translate video avatar and this is a tweet avatar video. So let's create a tweet avatar video. So let's create a lifestyle based video. I'll use which one? I will go with one. I will go with this one. And you can choose the type of avatar style that you want, sitting in this pose, wearing the professional suit and something, lying down on a mat. Or I will go with this one only, and I'll add a script to this video. So now the script's length should be, there's no length given, 15-second max. So I'll write now 15 seconds. Go to ChatGPT, write a 15-second script on manifestation, for example. Is it enter? And let's wait for a few seconds. Select this one. Come over here. Upload this. I need portrait. You then go for landscape or portrait, but I'll go for the portrait one. The voice is also given. Custom voice. They have already chosen given the voice. You can go and change it if you want, but I'll keep it as it is and hit generate video. So within a few seconds, within a few minutes, my video would be generated. And as I said, I will show you all of these videos at the end of this lecture, how this thing works. So what you can do with this tool, if you are someone, a paid member of this tool, you can simply create your own avatar. You can clone your own voice. You can do a voice cloning with this tool. You can add your own avatar and you can create unlimited videos that you want. If you are someone who uploads regular reels on social media, you are a content creator and you don't get so much of time to create content every day, just record a video of yourself of 2 minutes, upload it over here, upload your voice, and it will clone your voice. It will create a digital avatar or a digital twin for yourself, for you, and you then simply use that in your content creation journey. That's how easy it is to create the AI based video even of yourself without recording a single video, of yourself doing something or explaining something, AI will handle everything that you want. So the voices and everything we have covered right now. Let's go to the home page and create a professional video showcase my message. Let's use this part. Product demo, explainer video. So let's go to the explainer video. Explains, so I'll use a custom prompt. Not a custom prompt, but the prompt that has already been displayed over here. And I'll show you how this part, the video agent, works. So hit enter. So now it's my agent is thinking and creating a video for me, gathering all the data. And let's see what it comes. Create an explanatory video that breaks down an important concept. Start with why it matters. So I can help with it. What important concept you want to add, like explain in this video, who your target audience. So I'll add 20 to 40 years of age. So this will think a lot. This is a video agent, so it will think a lot. So dot it and what topic you want to explain. So I'll write manifestation. I'll hit enter. Oh, I made a mistake with the spelling, but still it will work out. AI would understand what I want to explain. So defining the approach. So it's working and the pattern, and this is the audience. So what they have generated, wait, here's the plan for your video. Your audience is 20 to 40 years of age. Music theme should be this. Video length approximately 15 seconds. Video orientation portrait. Target audience English. Avatar, a friendly engaging presenter. Caption, would you like me to proceed the plan? So I will go ahead. So now it will start with the creation part, creation of the video part. So this is how the HEYGEN tool is so easier for all to use. So the creation of this video is been started. We are understanding the vision, analyzing the asset, and within a few minutes, it will create the entire video. So I will show you at the end of this video that all the 3 things that we have generated right now. And this tool is so easy to use. Anyone of any age can use this. So this was all from this lecture. At the end of this, don't forget to watch those videos, how it has created the magic based on the product and everything, the avatar. And I will see you in the next lecture. Enjoy the video at the end, and I will see you in tool number 7. Manifestation helps turn dreams into reality. Set intentions, believe, and take action. Like planting a seed, choose, trust, nurture. It requires steps towards goals. Intention, belief, action. Keys to your desired life. Your thoughts create your world. What you believe, you attract. So today, speak it, feel it, and live like it's already yours. Because the universe is always listens. Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're talking about embracing that sunny summer feeling, and I found the perfect way to start your day. Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're talking about embracing that sunny summer feeling, and I found the perfect way to start your day.